In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Your Facebook profile has some issues problem. First, let's talk about what this message usually means. When Facebook says your profile has some issues, it's often related to something that doesn't follow their community standards or profile guidelines. It could be a name format, a suspicious login, a security concern, or a piece of content that's been flagged. So instead of panicking, think of it as Facebook asking you to review and confirm a few details. Start by opening Facebook on your browser or in the app, and make sure you're logged in to the correct account. If you see the profile has some issues alert, look for any button or link that says something like Review or See Details. Click that. Facebook will usually guide you to a page that explains what specifically needs your attention. Carefully read any message shown there. Sometimes they'll ask you to confirm your name, remove something that violates their policies, or secure your account. Follow the on-screen instructions one by one. If they want you to update your name, make sure it matches their rules. Typically, a real name, no symbols, and no extra words. If they highlight a post, photo, or comment, you may need to delete it or edit it so it no longer breaks their guidelines. Next, go to your profile and double-check your basic information. Look at your profile picture, cover photo, bio, and any public posts. Remove anything that seems spammy, misleading, or uses someone else's identity. This is a good time to clean up old posts that might be problematic or confusing to Facebook systems. It's also important to review your security settings. Go to your account settings and check for any login alerts or unfamiliar devices. If you see something that you don't recognize, log those devices out and change your password. Turning on two-factor authentication is a strong way to show Facebook that you're the legitimate owner of the account and keep it safe in the future. After you've fixed whatever Facebook asked you to address, refresh the page or close and reopen the app. In some cases, the warning disappears almost immediately. But other times, Facebook may need a bit of time to recheck your profile. If the message stays and you're sure you've followed all instructions, go to the Help or Support section and look for an option to contact support or submit an appeal. Be patient and keep everything accurate and honest. Once Facebook finishes its review, your profile should return to normal without that warning banner.